In this video, I will show you exactly how to adjust your text size and master letter formatting within Adobe Express, so your designs look professional every single time. Whether you are creating a social media post or a formal flyer, getting the font scale right is essential for readability and style. To get started, you first need to open your project and select the specific text box on your canvas that you want to modify. Once you click on the box, keep your eyes on the left side of the screen where the Properties panel is located. This panel is your main command center for all things related to typography. Inside this area, you will easily locate the font size box, which is conveniently displayed as a numerical value right next to the font name. Now, you have a few different ways to change the sizing depending on how much control you need. If you want to make small, incremental changes to see how different scales look in real time, you can simply click the plus icon to scale the text up or click the minus icon to scale it down. This is perfect for those moments when you are trying to find the sweet spot for your layout. However, if you already have a specific size in mind or need to match a brand guideline, you can click directly into the numerical field and type a precise number value using your keyboard. This allows for total accuracy across your entire design. As you make these adjustments, you will notice how the text reflows within the box, making it easy to balance your composition. Remember that you can also drag the corners of the text box itself, but using the numerical values in the property panel ensures consistency and professional results. Take a moment to experiment with different sizes until your message really pops off the screen. By mastering these simple tools, you can ensure your typography is always perfectly proportioned. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you level up your creative projects today.